Hello friends, it's International Day of Yoga. So here are some asanas that I have compiled for you that will do wonders for your back and neck regions in this period of work from home and all the strain that sitting on your chair all day puts on your body. Place a folded blanket under your neck. Bring your heels up to under your knees. Press the floor with straightened arms. Tighten your core and hold for 10 seconds. Repeat 5 times. Press the floor with your open palms. Raise your torso and inhale, opening your shoulders. Hold for 10 seconds. Go down and relax. Repeat 5 times. Raise your torso completely. Inhale and tighten your core. Hold for at least 5 seconds. Return to prone and relax. Repeat 5 times. Start with feet at shoulder width. Widen your stance to at least 2.5 feet and turn your right foot to the right. Drop the left hand to the left knee and raise your right arm to the sky. Hold for 10 seconds at least. Repeat 5 times. Exhale and bend forward fully. Lengthen your torso and relax your spine. Grab your ankles and heels with your hands and hold for 10 seconds. Repeat for 5 times. Start on your back with your palms pressing down. Bend your knees to bring your heels beneath your buttocks. Raise your hips and keep your body straight to come to a reverse table position. Hold for 10 seconds. Repeat 5 times. And finally guys, do remember to warm up your body and joints before starting this yoga sequence to get the most benefit out of holding these positions and getting deeper into the postures. Have a great day of yoga and keep practicing this sequence so that you become better and better day by day.